Wanna know how to switch to a creator account on Instagram? Let's see how. First, you have to open up your Instagram account and go to your profile. As you can see, this profile is currently set to a personal account. Now tap on Edit Profile and select Switch to Professional Account from here. Now tap Next, then choose the category that best describes what you do. In my case, I'm selecting Digital Creator. Next, you can turn on Display on Profile so people can easily see what you actually do. After that, tap Switch to Professional Account. Now Instagram will ask what type of professional account you want. Select Creator, and now on the Setup Your Professional Account page, complete the required steps. For example, you can add or update your bio, add a website or Facebook link, choose a profile banner, and enter your gender. So when you are finished, just hit on Done. So here you can also update additional details like your goals and preference, which actually helps Instagram tailor features for you. So once everything is complete, go back to your profile and you will now see the professional dashboard, and your account will be switched to a creator account like this. So if you want, you can always go back to Edit Profile to update your details or add contact options so people can easily reach you. That's how you can switch from a personal account to a creator account on Instagram. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.